Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful denim shirts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. Viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers, Denim toy organizer. So friends, today I created a denim organizer. I use jeans pockets to store small items. You can hang it on the wall. It is useful for keeping things neat. Easy and practical ideas. Denim lampshade. I wrap denim fabric around the lamp, then I glue or stitch it neatly. It gives a warm and unique look, perfect for bedrooms decoration. Denim pouch or wallet. And friends, my next idea is weavers. I cut fabric and stitch a simple shape, then I add a zipper. This pouch is perfect for makeup or gowns, easy and very useful. Denim wallet. And friends, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, friends, for more latest updates. Viewers,